Hey y'all! So this video is sponsored by HelloFresh. Y'all, I'm so excited. I've told y'all that I'm having some weight issues, right? So we're gonna try HelloFresh. I'm so excited. I've never tried one of these and I've always wanted to. So look at this, it comes with these cards. How cool is this? So I am gonna open my box and see what's in it. So you can see here, oh, how nice. Everything's all packed in here nicely. Look at this. Okay, so
I've been talking about how I have got to get this weight off because, yep, it just came on my chat. So HelloFresh reached out to me and offered to sponsor a video, and I was like, yes, because I really need to work on getting healthy. And hey, I have always wanted to try one of these, and they are going to give you a 80% off, $80 off, sorry, and the code's going to be right down here. So it's Hardworking Mom 80. Make sure you click the link in the description so that you can get something. So y'all, I love to cook. I just absolutely love to cook, but I never have time. I don't have time to figure out what I'm going to make. I don't have time to get all the ingredients together. And so we end up eating way too much food out, right? So I always thought that something like this would be an excellent thing to try, but I never really got around to trying it.
So we got our three cards here. So we have the roasted pork tenderloin, the Tex-Mex stuffed burgers, and the chicken over Parmesan spaghetti. So I was thinking that we're going to do the pork tenderloins. So this is what's cool. Each one of these cards has the prep time, it has the total minutes it takes, and it has the calories. The other thing is you can go onto their site, you get to pick your meals. You can pick between family friendly, vegetarian, calorie conscious, and you can pick out what you want for that week. So it's a meal service and you get one every week depending on what package you get. And I think these are amazing. I'm so excited. So this one takes 10 minutes of prep and it takes a total of 30 minutes. This one takes 5 minutes of prep and it takes 30 minutes. So this one really looks good, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. It is cheese stuffed burgers. Oh gosh. Okay, and this one takes 10 minutes of prep and it takes 40 minutes. So I was thinking I would start off with the roasted pork tenderloin. I love pork tenderloin. So we're going to get all the ingredients out and then we're going to get started on it. Okay, so here's the pork tenderloin. And see, it says roasted pork tenderloin. And then I have my 2 tenderloins. And I'm going to see what I need to set my oven at. I'm sure there are some things I need to cut up. So wash and dry all produce. Okay, so we need olive oil, salt and pepper. Okay, we need a roasting pan. Okay, so I'm going to get out a roasting pan. So y'all, I like to put my stuff on parchment paper because it's not as much cleaning of the pan. So the first thing we need to do is wash everything in this bag. Okay, wash all the potatoes, diced potatoes, all right? And then we're gonna put them on a baking sheet with some olive oil. Okay, we can do that. Okay, so I have all of the potatoes chopped up, and I want to make sure I have them spread out. And look, it even has this nice little picture that shows you what it looks like. And then I'm just going to drizzle my olive oil over it. My little olive oil bottle's starting to fall apart, so we'll hold it together. Okay. I love olive oil. Okay, so we got our olive oil on. Okay, we're gonna add a little salt. Okay, and a little pepper. And there we go. Lovely. And this is gonna go in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, we are gonna move on to step 2. So in step 2, we need to peel and dice the onion. We need to mince or grate the garlic, halve the lemon, and trim the zucchini lengthwise. And those potatoes are smelling so good. All right, now let's see what we have to do. Okay, so now we need to sear our pork in some olive oil. All right, so we need to put some olive oil and some salt and pepper on this mix. Okay. All right. Salt and pepper. There we go. Woo, look at all, that is a ton of food. Holy cow. That's going to be a lot of food. I'm going to tell you, they give you a lot of food. Okay. So we need to put a little olive oil in the pan. Alrighty. There we go. Now, we're going to take our pork. We're going to open these up, and you need to dry it off on your paper towel. Okay. And then we're going to put it in the pan. So it says 4 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil here. Alright, let's salt and pepper these. Okay, and it said medium heat. So let's get our medium heat going. About there. Okay. Alright, so I need to take this off the heat. This is now going to go in the oven. So we're going to put this toward the bottom. Here we go. Alright, so now it needs 12 minutes. Okay, let's turn that off. Okay. We need 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to use the pan to make some sauce. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna snip this end. Get that in there. Ooh, doesn't that look good? See. So we need to simmer it. Okay. So we'll turn it low here until it thickens. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty. Okay, y'all, we have the official vote. Husband says.
Good.
Awesome! Oh wait, Ross is down to try it. What do you think? Look at all that beautiful food. Look over there.
Yummy. Oh, yay.
Yay! So what's your verdict, Ross?
It's really good.
It's really good. Y'all, this stuff is the bomb. It is, the meat is so tender, it's unbelievable.